Hey guys, Donaka, Katherine here. So today we're going to be doing a haul video. I ordered some things off of nastygal.com, Forever 21, and I even got a pair of shoes from DSW. So I'm just going to pretty much show y'all everything I got, let y'all know a little bit about it, and then after that happens, I'm going to show y'all some outfits that I would make with the clothes that I just got. So everything that I have here, pretty much everything, I haven't opened yet. I wanted to open it on camera so you guys will see my initial reaction. There are some things I already opened, but I'll explain when it's time. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys today is something that I already opened. So I ordered a pair of white sandals because right now I'm really trying to buy the necessities per se, like things that I think I should have in my closet for the spring summer season. So I wanted to get white sandals. I'm still looking for black sandals and I already have some brown ones. And I found some cute ones on DSW. And a couple days ago, I put on an outfit that was perfect for the shoes. So I opened them and there's that story. So here are the shoes. They're just a white sandal, double large buckle, and then there's a back ankle strap. The sandals have a rose gold buckle and the little, what's it called? They have a gold buckle and they have a little elastic strap on the side. These sandals were really comfortable. I wasn't sure how strappy I wanted it to be. I like strappy sandals, but I was looking for a little bit of a different design. So I really thought these would be cute, and they're really simple. I'll show y'all actually the outfit that I put them on with a little bit later in the video. So, and then I got some things from Nasty Gal. Nasty Gal has to be probably one of my favorite stores right now. They always have really cute things. And it seems like all their stuff's always on sale. I don't know if that's just because, I don't know if that's just like a sales tactic. Let's just make them think that everything's always on sale, but they got me. So everything's always on sale and I love a good sale. So I think I got maybe 5 or 6 things from here. I'll show y'all exactly what they are. So the first thing is gonna be a pair of shoes. I also opened these already. I thought they would be cute with an outfit that I was putting together, but they didn't end up working out. So we're gonna act like I didn't open them yet. So I really wanted to get a brown heel because I'm brown skin and I think that brown looks really good on me. So I was looking for an ankle strap heel because that's kind of my style. I can pretty much pair that with everything and it's always a really good warm weather shoe. So I came across these. Ooh. So these are the shoes. They're like a crocodile print. Like I said, ankle strap. I love the big round buckle on the side. I think that is gorgeous. And I love a tall heel. And over the years, just me like playing in the sports I did and things like that, my arch has really fallen. So I love a heel that gives the illusion of a really good arch. So we'll see how that looks on with the outfit I put it with later. Everything else I have not opened yet. So let's get ready. I'm excited. Are you guys ready? We ready? Okay, so one other thing that I'm trying to incorporate in my everyday outfits are purses. My mom bought me the cutest Coach purse for my 21st birthday, and it's pretty small. It only fits everything I really need, and I absolutely am in love with it. I wear it anytime I decide to grab a purse, which is pretty much every day. And it has a little removable wallet in the middle. I'm just gonna go get it. Why am I talking about it like it's not here? Okay, so this is the purse my mom got for me. It's just a cute shoulder purse, a nice tote, and it's a beautiful gray color. And like I said, I pretty much wear it everywhere. It has a removable little wallet on the inside, and it's just like the perfect amount of, ooh, and it's just like the perfect amount of space for me. I can fit my phone in the front comfortably, and I can pretty much put anything I need in here. I normally just keep my wallet, maybe a couple pins and a scrunchie or something random like that, just in case. I want to incorporate a couple more purses in my wardrobe, just because like that purse doesn't always go with everything. Sometimes it's kind of a stretch. So the first purse I've ordered since making that decision. Ooh. Let's just take
what is that?
Let's just take a moment to appreciate shopping, just in general, and how good it makes us feel, and all the cute things. No, let me stop. Here's the purse up close. Okay, you can see it's like a patent leather, red purse, gold buckles, but this lighting is making it a lot lighter than it is. So let me see if I can fix that. There we go. I'm gonna put the purse with an outfit too. So y'all are gonna see the purse with an outfit too, so don't worry. Don't worry, she'll be coming back out. What's her name? I don't know, she's gorgeous though. Okay, so I went ahead and I ordered these linen pants. They're striped linen pants, okay? And yes, they are gorgeous. I like them so far. These are cute, and I wanted some nice springtime pants, some nice summertime pants, and linen is like the perfect material because it's so breathable and so comfortable. So I'm excited to try these on and find something to put with those. This skirt, it's just a distressed black denim skirt. I love black denim. That is my probably favorite color, just because it's so versatile. You can add so many different colors to it. So I think that might continue? No. I think that might conclude my black bottom collection for now, and now I can work on getting other things. And that's really my goal with the clothes that I'm buying right now, is to, like I said earlier, finish out buying my necessities so that I can work on like specific, just crazy things like patterns and things like that. Okay, and then the last thing I got from Nasty Gal was a two-piece set. So this is the Nasty Gal collection. It's just a bandeau top, just green, navy green, and it's a skirt. Ooh, I like the way this is shaped. Ooh, with a little asymmetrical cut in the front. I ordered some nude shoes from DSW, and they sent maybe a week after the white ones did. So what I was supposed to do was wear those nude shoes in the video to go with this two-piece set, but I think we'll be able to figure it out. I think something's gonna work out because this is gorgeous. And I can't wait to try it on, so we're gonna try it on. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna do that anyway because that's how I am.
So that's all the things that I got from Nasty Gal. Excited to try the shoes out because I want to see how they walk. I'm not really the biggest fan of buying shoes online, and I'm not the biggest fan of buying shoes mostly from stores that focus more on clothing, just because not to throw any shade or anything, but I don't know if you've ever worn a pair of high heels from Forever 21. They feel like you're walking on pins and needles, literally. I bought a pair of high heels from Forever 21 once, and I literally took my shoes off I can't even say. I took my shoes off in the club.
Step back, I think I'm gonna vomit!
Anyway, so that's why I was nervous, but these, I have good feelings about these, so we'll see how those go. Speaking of Forever 21, that's where we're gonna go next. So a lot of the things that I got from Forever 21 were mostly accessories, just because I'm also trying to add a couple of things to that area of my wardrobe as well. But I do have some clothing pieces in here too, so we'll see. First two things I got were some fishnet stockings. I got two designs. This one's just like regular fishnet, and this one's the fishnet, but it has lines going down it. So I think these are gonna be cute. I have some shorts that I want to wear, and I have these really large black boots that I think would look great with fishnets, and I have a lot of outfits in my head. So one thing I did get that was a clothing item is this shirt. So I'm not really a mesh shirt person, but in this order I also got a bralette, and I figured I might as well try it out because I like the design. I've been finding myself really into sun and moon designs lately on tops, so this is the shirt that I got. It's a mesh shirt, blue, black, yellow with the sun and the moon, and it's supposed to be fitted. I think it's really gonna be cute. I think it's gonna fit me well, and it's not completely see-through, so I think it'll be okay. The bralette that I got, and I'm actually gonna try these on together, so technically you will be able to see like what the bralette looks like on me. But this is the bralette. It's just a simple black bralette with a lace outline. So I've never tried to wear a mesh shirt before, but we're gonna see how this goes. Oh, I actually have a mesh shirt right here that I was gonna wear to Buku Festival. If you guys would like to see a video of what I would have worn to Buku, it's a music festival for you guys who don't know. If you'd like to see what I would have worn to Buku, the whole entire outfit for both days, leave a comment, because I definitely will be willing to do that. I think that might be fun considering it got canceled. So, all right. And I saw this shirt online, and the model kind of gave me inspiration. Oh my gosh, this shirt looks huge. That's not what I was expecting. Oh my god. This shirt is so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, it's like a t-shirt. Ooh. All right. I have a good amount of hoops, I would say, but when it comes to gold hoops, I do not have a lot of them. So I'm trying to expand my gold hoop collection. And I absolutely love decorated hoops. I think they're gorgeous, and I think they just add a little bit of wow factor to an already amazing and classic earring. So these are the earrings I got. They are a gold butterfly hoop, and they are absolutely gorgeous, and they're not heavy, which I'm really excited about because I was worried that they would be. All right guys, so that's everything that I ordered from Nasty Gal, Forever 21, and DSW. So now let's go ahead and put those outfits together. So I definitely love this two-piece set. I think it's so gorgeous. I think it fits me well, hugs all the right places, and I like the little bit of ruching because it gives you a little bit of leeway for the stomach area. I decided to pair it with gold jewelry. I'll get close up so you can see. I went with a gold butterfly hoop and a gold choker, some gold and black accent jewelry. I decided to go with gold just because I think gold goes best with olive green. I think that this whole outfit would have probably looked better if I had the nude heels instead of black. However, I do think the black heels are cute. But like I said, I think nude heels are a necessity to have in your closet, just for when you go for neutral tones like this. You can never go wrong with a nude heel. I have on a pair of the fishnet leggings from Forever 21. I have on that mesh t-shirt from Forever 21, as well as that bralette. So I'm gonna go ahead and get close. Hopefully you guys can see me. So this is what the bralette looks like. I think it's a really good fit. I like the fact that it does the little V at the bottom, and I think it gives good coverage. I like this shirt as well, and I think these tights are exactly what I was looking for. I think they're so, I don't know.
Sensational.
They're just everything I was looking for. So I'm excited, and I am very happy with all 3 purchases that I am wearing right now. Next, for these pants from Nasty Gal, I decided to go for a little bit more of a business look. I paired it with a nice cream blouse, and I even used those heels from Nasty Gal. The heels kind of take the business away if you think about it, because they're a little bit too high. But this is also a very nice outfit to wear too. You could wear this outfit to church, or maybe if you wanted to go to a nice brunch or anything like that, you could put this outfit on. You should wear maybe some biker shorts or something like that, simply because the pants are very thin, so they're see-through, and you can see the back of my shirt here. I like these pants. I definitely think I could style them multiple ways, and I definitely think they give my body a great shape. So these pants are also a yes, and so are these lovely shoes. What else am I hand in my pocket? I'm like, these lovely jeans. These lovely jeans. Alright guys, so as y'all knew, this shirt was a lot bigger than I had expected it to be, so I couldn't put it with the outfit that I wanted to. However, I do like the way it looks with these white pants and these black heels. I even was able to pair this red purse with it. I definitely think the bag is cute, and I think it all works together. And even though I didn't expect the shirt to be the size, I still love it. So I think the bag and the shirt are both a yes for me. So this is the last outfit for this video. This is the outfit that I actually felt the need to pull the shoes out of the box for, and I hope that now you can see why. I think that these shoes went absolutely perfectly with this top, and I think it was definitely a good idea for me to pull them out of the box. I think that the white flowers match the white on the shoes, and it definitely brings some brightness to the outfit, which is already bright, which is even better. I absolutely love these shoes. Like I said earlier, they're really comfortable. I could wear them all day. They actually do have like a little bit of cushion on them, which most sandals don't, and they were pretty cheap. Like I said, I got them from DSW, and I will be wearing them again. Also, I decided to pair this outfit with the butterfly hoop earrings that I got from Forever 21. I like the earrings. They're not too heavy, and they look gorgeous, especially with this outfit. However, I did have some problems with the clasps in the back. The little silver flap that snaps seems to be a little bit thin, so I might have to watch out for that. Hopefully the earrings don't break too early on me. Alright guys, so I simply just stopped making this outfit because I don't plan on keeping this skirt. While I do think that the skirt is cute and I do like the distressed look, there's too much space back here. I don't like having to fix this problem because at some point around the waist of the skirt is going to be bunched up. So I definitely would rather find a skirt that doesn't have this large pucker in the back, but rather fits me snugly, which I have found a skirt like that on Nasty Gal, so I think I just need to do a little bit more searching. I definitely do think it is cute, so I hope to find something like this again. Alright guys, as y'all can see by the change in lighting, it definitely took me the better part of this day to make this video, but I had so much fun and I definitely look towards doing this again. Make sure you let me know what you want to see and if you would like me to do anything in particular down in the comments. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. I wouldn't say dislike it if you didn't like it, but just leave me some constructive criticism down there, you know what I mean? And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button. There will be new videos up every Thursday at 5 p.m. Central, and I'm working on getting videos up maybe twice a week for you guys. So subscribe and you will find out. All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.